Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today we're going to be designing a fruit snack wrapper in Canva. I have my template pulled up. It will be for sale in my Etsy shop, and I will have a link below in the description if you'd like to purchase it. Today our theme is going to be JoJo Siwa. I pulled in artwork that I'm going to be using. So let's start. I'm going to pull over picture of JoJo Siwa, and then we're going to start decorating around that. I'm going to use, her name is Well, put it on the front. Okay, I'm going to put this heart here. Resize it. Okay, and then I'm going to also change the name and the color. So the birthday person's name is Sierra, and it's Sierra's 10th birthday. Okay, we're going to change that text color to this hot pink. We're going to change the name to hot pink. We're also going to change the border around this background that has her name, and we're going to change that to pink, the white part. So I'm going to go to border, and I'm going to click pink. Okay, we're going to add some text to the back. And I'm going to type, thank you for coming. Sierra. Okay. And we're going to move it over to the back panel. And we're going to lower that font down to 12. We're going to change that color to hot pink. I'm going to bold it because it's so thin. And I'm going to add some images to the back. So I put this little star with JoJo and her dog. Okay, and then we're going to add a little something over here to the nutrition facts. We're going to jazz it up a little bit. I'm just going to put a little cupcake right in here with the text. And then I want to add the bow. She's known for her bow, so we'll put a hair bow back there too. One last thing, I'm going to change this white background, and I am going to look for a nice complementary color. Remember I told you when you pull in different images, the colors that are in the images will be right next to it. The JoJo Siwa that's here, these are the 5 colors that are in that text. The hair bow that's here, these are the colors associated with that. So I am going to select this pink color here. Let's try this green. That doesn't look good. Orange. Pink it is. Okay guys, so this is going to be our design. I thoroughly enjoyed. I hope you did too. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys the next video.